This is what I got from the garden over the past 2 days. Really, all this was today, plus those. And these were yesterday. But I just wanted to demonstrate how much food this can actually make. So I'm going to be doing a little cooking show here. And I'm going to be making a sandwich with some succotash. So for y'all who don't know what succotash is, it's just a combination of vegetables. So I'm going to chop up the okra and chop up the jalapeños and de-cob this corn. I'm going to bring this to a boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to make a sandwich out of this tomato right here and these peppers. So it's going to be good.